as the top dog in Asia's high-end bathroom panel game. Guangdong LiangJing Co., Limited has been killing it in the biz for 20 years. We're all about crafting, developing, and making top-notch bathtub panels. With eco-friendliness, innovation, and durability at our core, we mix cutting-edge materials with slick craftsmanship to deliver high-performance solutions. For global bathroom brands, from cast acrylic to extruded acrylic, moisture-proof custom jobs to low-carbon production, we're always ahead of the curve, helping clients create bathroom spaces that are both stylish and functional. We've got everything from basic to artsy designs, breaking the mold of traditional bathtubs to cover the whole bathroom vibe. Think spa tubs, infinity pools, and soaking tubs. Looking ahead, Guangdong LiangJing is on a mission to power up healthy living with tech through material innovation, process upgrades, and next-level service. We're aiming to be the gold standard for sustainability in the global bathroom panel industry.